Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering off the headset and removing the ear cushion now. This exposes the screws. Use a thin plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the shell because the plastic is brittle and can crack if forced. Once the cushion is off, remove the visible small Phillips screws and keep them organized in order. This prevents reassembly errors. Make sure you have the replacement hinge, tweezers, adhesive, and a magnetic mat or parts tray ready before moving to disassembly. You now access the hinge assembly. First, identify and carefully lift the ribbon cable connector. Use tweezers and a steady hand, because ripping the cable ruins the board. Then remove the hinge mounting screws and free the old hinge, comparing it to the replacement so tabs and holes align. Once you seat the new hinge, screw in opposite corners incrementally to ensure even pressure. This prevents stress on the plastic. Reseat the ribbon cable exactly as it was, because polarity and orientation matter for functionality. You finish by reassembling in reverse. Replace screws in their original order, then press the ear cushion back on evenly to avoid gaps. Once assembled, power on and test hinge movement, audio, and the microphone. Listen for any rubbing, clicking, or loose play. If you notice resistance or intermittent audio, make sure the ribbon cable is fully seated and screws are snug but not over-tightened. If problems persist, try swapping in the spare hinge or inspect for cracked plastic that may need epoxy reinforcement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.